to say the least.
Been raining. Ali, let's wait for bus.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. So long. Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Now I found you. And now my prayers been answered. Now I found you.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
pulled into the tide of something real.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Yeah, we just finished making this delicious, what do you call this? These rice have different names. Some people call it concoction rice, some people call it accident jollof, some people call it kpakpakpa rice. My own name is kpakpakpa rice. That's what I call it. I have a friend that she can fight you because of this rice, okay? I did not call anybody's name. I not call person name, but I have a friend that can fight you because of this kpakpakpa rice. So guys, I was supposed to go to the gym today, yeah, but I just couldn't go to the gym because of the weather. It's been raining since morning. Can you imagine? It rained early in the morning, and when I was taking the kids to school, the rain kind of stopped. Even my daughter, she left her rain boot because I was like, okay, it's no longer raining, you can pull your rain boot. But the thing is that after dropping the kids, the rain just started. It just started. As soon as I dropped Nathan off at creche, I came out from his creche and met rain outside. So, and I was not even having umbrella or anything. I was going to the gym. So I was in the rain, and even though I was even waiting for bus to like go to the gym, but I don't see bus. There was no bus, so I got wet. Like my body was wet, even my shoe, because I was wearing my shoe I was wearing my gym shoe, so there was no need going to the gym with wet clothes and wet shoe. I have to come home. So because of that rain, I just felt like this is what I'm going to eat today, because this is what I'm craving. I'm craving hot rice, hot pepper rice, guys. This rice, I know you people saw that I put one scotch bonnet. I'll be thinking that that's not enough. I made 2 cups of rice, but I used 1 scotch bonnet. But that scotch bonnet is super spicy, guys. Super spicy. So welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I have been talking since, so I'm hungry. I just want to eat. Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, this is a vlog. This is a vlog. This is a vlog. So guys, let's eat. Come and join me. Thank you. Bless this food, Lord Jesus, and thank you for provision. Amen. That's delicious, guys.
Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it.
Yum yum.
Got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
So far, I just finished eating. Okay, don't mind my tummy. I'm not pregnant, guys. This is just my problem. Even though it's water I drink, I'll just be bloated. Like, just take a look. So I'm still on my gym wear, so I'm going to be sorting out my clothes. So let's go, let's do that together. I already sorted out the kids summer clothes, but I'm yet to do mine. Like, my wardrobe is a mess. Let me bring it closer so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Take a look. It's not really messy though. Okay, it's not messy. I take it back. I think it's kind of organized, but the only problem is that I still have my sweaters, I still have my winter clothes here. so I just want to take them off. So this is what this place is looking like. Yeah, so let's arrange it. Let's do that right now. So I'm going to start by bringing everything out. Just take everything on top of the kids' bed. It's always good to sort your clothes out every season. If not, you will just have clothes everywhere. Now I'm going to bring out just my summer clothes. That way I will have space in my wardrobe, and like getting clothes to wear will not be a struggle. I will not be looking for, you know how it is now. You want the umbrella? God, the weather is raining. It's been raining since morning. Just take a look. It's been raining. Ali, let's wait for bus. You want to hold it? Amani is back from school. I'm vlogging. Yeah, I didn't show you guys when I was
Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, I'm back. I went to pick the kids, and yeah, I finished arranging the clothes before I left. But the thing was that I couldn't take you guys along because my battery died. I guess it's high time I get another battery for my camera because I have just one, and sometimes when the battery is dead I cannot do anything. So let me just show you guys. Okay, I still have the other one to like arrange, but first of all I just have to give the kids food and do the dishes in the kitchen. So I don't know, I might be taking you guys along. So like okay, let me just show you guys. This is the end result. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. So I have my skirt here, my skirts, my knicker, my short. So yeah, I have my trousers. Yeah, I took away everything that is winter, you know. So yeah, I have my sleeveless, like my singlets. Yeah, I have my t-shirts. At the back I have my gowns, my dresses, and yeah, I have my blouse. So it's just, this is what I did. Yeah, so over here I have just clothes that are on the hangers, my dresses, my jackets. So that is it. So just take a look at these children. So you are playing with my phone. Nathan, come out from there.